Hey guys, it's Gonruff of GIJs and I'm with Isaiah. We are out at the heater ice fishing. Alright, just me and him. It's pretty lit. We're gonna try to capture some footage of us fishing, but we possibly might not catch any fish. I don't know, it's pretty cold today. It's like wind, as you can see. It's like, you see that movement? It's pretty bad. You can probably hear it. There's like a 30-mile-an-hour wind, but we have a Mr. Big Buddy heat tank right next to us, a shovel, scooper, and stuff, and we're gonna try to catch some fish. We've been here for like 20 minutes. Seen lots of fish on the bottom, but no bites. Isaiah's using a rattle jig, and I'm using, I don't know. It's some kind of jig. I don't remember what it's called. But we're going to be trying to make and catch some fish. So, see you when we get one on. Hey, I don't know. Let me open this up. This thing right here is what is going to be holding my phone, like Roman Atwood and all them YouTubers. So I'm not going to have some expensive. I'm just using my phone. Keep it shut. And so that's what it's going to be holding my phone when we have a fish on. So I'm going to put my phone on it and see how it is. And I'm going to videotape me putting it on. So next clip. Here we come. So, I'm getting it on. Oops. Gosh, it's so hard to clamp. There we go. We got it clamped in, as you can see. Hand. 2 hands. Not holding my phone. It's on it. So, yeah. Let's flip the camera around. That thing on the right of the screen, that's just the part of it.
It's here though, I'm hot.
Okay, I'll turn it down. This is a Big Buddy heater. Turn it down to medium. Okay. Is your fish still on your screen? Jig. Isaiah, keep jigging. As you can see, keep jigging, Isaiah.
Oh.
It's coming up, maybe. This red right here, that's the bottom. That farther, the green next to the bottom is a fish, and then the one above that, to the left of it, is Isaiah. And he just, you see that one going up right there? That's Isaiah. So let's keep digging it, Isaiah. That's probably a walleye. Hopefully it is. So, yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, I see you. Keep digging. That's probably a walleye. It's moving.
Connor, fish don't like noise.
Yes, they do. They're like rattling noises.
Yeah, I mean, but don't just you know, quiet.
That one right there, that's me. Mine, I can't really see the fish because the fish isn't by my lure. The one that's coming in and out is Isaiah. And I have a magnifier, so it might not.
Oh,
be
man, I lost him.
No, he's still, he's still there. Dig it like this. Hopefully, oh man. I'm gonna fix this. So, sorry if it's rattling. So, hopefully he gets fish. Keep digging it, go like here. Go like this, like this. Okay? Oh, it's getting a drop to do it. Keep doing it. Okay, so I'll try videotaping. I'm sorry, but I don't really have somewhere. Oh, is it my phone? I don't really have anywhere to put it. The mount, but I will be hanging onto it. Maybe put on a flutter spoon. Oh, my dad just texted me. He rung us out here in his truck. He just left because he wants to let us have time to ourselves, fish. But so far, he has something down below.
Yeah, I'm almost trying to get a fish right now, but we just trying to keep quiet right now. Yeah,
Cause
it's gonna be really. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it's me, Isaiah, Ziggy Zo, those two.
look at this one. So I can see you now.
Yeah, they might see me. I'm trying to do a fish right now. Oh, I felt something. Oh, he's gone. I just lost him though, but it's alright. It's alright.
I'm gonna see you when we get a fish on.
Oh,
Ooh. Do you have one? Oh, no?
yeah, he was like right there and then he lost.
Okay, so I'm gonna see you when we get another fish on. So see you then. Peace. Well, guys, Isaiah just caught a fish. He caught a striped bass, about 5 inches. I'm gonna show you the picture, or not the picture. I'm gonna show you the fish, but that's probably gonna be the end of the video because my phone is officially at 20%, and I want it to be not dead so I can talk to my dad instead of videotaping. So I'm gonna probably end this video here after I show the fish. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, there's a fish right next to me. Shoot.
Ooh, Connor.
Well, guess I'm gonna videotape you guys.
He's coming, Connor. He's
See all those
coming.
fish? Got one. Got one, Isaiah. Wonder what it is. Ooh, nice crappie. Nice crappie, Isaiah. Drop it down. Guys, as you just saw, I just caught a monster crappie. Did you guys see it pop out of the hole? Just caught this one. Pop it in the hole. Go again. Well, what are the chances of me trying to end the video up and catch a fish? What are the odds? What are the odds? Oh, no. Did it take it? Oh, thank God. That's a nice crappie. You don't even have to measure that one. Isaiah, I knew right away that that one was big. Because my rod was suspended like almost in half. Gosh. Why isn't my lure going down? Where are you, Isaiah? Jig. I need to make sure where you are. Okay. Right there. Dude, that was setting my drag. Oh, there's another fish. Isaiah, you thought we weren't going to catch fish today.
Yep.
He said, Gunner, we're not going to catch fish today. And all of a sudden you catch a fish and then I go catch one. So, there's no more fish, guys. I am so sorry I have to end it so soon. I mean, it's 8 minutes long, but what are the odds? What are the odds? Sorry. Show you a picture of the fish. About and then that striped bass. Okay, so guys, Isaiah, look at the phone. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. We love you. Peace.
Yeah, love you. Peace. Hey guys, I'm sorry about the last 5 clips. I was trying to edit the video. I'm sorry. So thank you for watching. As you could see right before that, me and Isaiah were in the house. After the video ended, I kept fishing and I caught one more bluegill. And you might see that right there. That's a spear for ice fishing with a cork on it and a bobber and like a handrail. And, so thank you for watching. as you saw in the last clip, we are just thankful that you guys subscribed. So, see you later, guys. Peace.